How to create a map on Google Maps. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on this video we will see how we can create map on Google Maps. So without any further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to go to the Google Maps website or open the application on your device. So for now, we will just go to the Google Maps website. So after you are here, navigate to the top left corner and click on this three line icon. Here click on saved. So once you are here, again click on maps. After that, from this bottom of this menu bar, click on create map. Then click on create. Here go to all and you will be taken into this kind of interface. Now zoom in and locate your area where you want to create a map. After that, click on the marker icon and place it anywhere on the map. Now you can add a name and description and photos if needed. So here, name your area, and under that you can add a description. If you want to add lines and shapes, there you have an option to add a line. Click on it, and then you can add a line or shape. So here you can come here and you can add a line on your map. After that, if you want to style it more, you can do that as well with the help of this edit option. You can add image or video, or you can delete this place as well. So here is the map and here is the line that I have added recently. If you want to use layers to organize points of interest, you can always turn layers on or off for better visualization. So there is add layer option. Click on it and you can use layers also. If you want to change the marker icons and colors for different categories, you can do that as well. You can also use the measure distance and areas features. You can also add directions, and then you can also select in items. So once you are done with creating a map, now in order to save and share, tap on share option. From here, click on share. After that, name your map, and under that add the description, then click on OK. Once you're here, now you can customize your audience. If you want to share or if you want to allow anyone with this link in view, you can turn on this toggle, or if you want to let others search for and find this map on internet, you can do that as well. Here there you'll have a link as well. If you want to share and dive, you can do that as well, or you can copy the link right here and share it with your friends. So this is the way to create map on Google Maps, and that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.